In this video, we'll show you how to merge two drives on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So for this example, let's just assume you want to merge this particular D drive into C drive. So for this, first thing you need to do is obviously make sure that there is nothing important inside the D drive. So you can move all your files manually from here to here. Once you have done that, simply head to the search menu and then type in partitions. Now select the first result that appears. Now you will see this disk management window. Now here you should see both the drives. Here you will need to right click on the drive that you want to merge. So simply right click on the D drive and then select delete volume. Now click on yes to confirm. Once you do this, you should see this unallocated space. So simply right click on the C drive and then click on extend volume option. Now here click on next. Now here you should see your unallocated space. So as you can see, it was 10 gigabytes, nearly 10 gigabytes. So I'm seeing it here. Simply select it and then click on next and finally click on finish. Once you have done this, you can now open the file explorer and the D drive is now merged with the C drive. Simply refresh it. So as you can see, now the storage capacity is increased by 10 gigabytes. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.